Okay, hello YouTube. I just wanted to show you my RC bag. I take this with me when I go bashing. This is just a regular messenger bag, like a medium-sized one. And I'll show you what I have in here. I carry this on my shoulder when I'm walking to my bashing spot. So I have a kind of an outside pocket. That pocket's pretty common, and just have some, some basic tools. It's a lug wrench for a Summit, cross wrench for a Kyosho. These are a couple of miscellaneous wrenches for a Losi. And then in the main compartment, you have a transmitter, a collapsible shovel for building jumps, a little toolbox. This was a used cigar humidor from the Goodwill. Just there's room for some basic tools in here. Lug wrench for Kyosho, multi-tool, multi-screwdriver, body clips, little cross wrench, Allen wrenches, etc. So that's the main compartment here. And then in the padded laptop compartment, there's room. You have lipos. So if you have soft case ones like this, you don't have to worry about them getting banged up. And then in the organizer pocket, we've got a infrared temp gun. This is a selfie set. This is what I use to take videos of myself driving. I just hold that behind the transmitter, fiddle with it a little bit, and it can be comfortable. And you clip your phone here, start the video, and then just drive it and follow it as you drive. And then a cell checker, cable tie or two. That's about it. Thanks for watching.